calling for the patient that who can walk out of the hot zone and go to the warm zone for decontamination and further care. For those 2 victims that are not be able to walk out of the scene from the hot zone, the search and rescue team wearing red suits will take those out for decontamination and further care. The commander ordered all the team personnel and equipment to be cleaned up, decontaminated, and then after